In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Top Bright Motor and Senses Woodpecker Feeding Games. This toy is for ages 24 months, 2 years old and up. This game helps fine action, hand-eye coordination, natural observation, and situational learning. The toy has 10 pieces total. This is the tree. This is the mom bird. And it comes with 8 worms. All the different colors: pink, blue, green, and purple. Each worm has a magnet on one end. Now this is also a good way to teach your child colors. They can put the pink together. Also counting. They can count the worms. Now these worms are about 2.4 inches long. This is a close-up of the worms. The baby bird is in the tree. Your child can put the worms in the top of the tree. And as you're putting them in, you can count to them. That also is a holder for the worms when they're all done playing the game or playing with the toy. There are 2 ways to play this game. You could play it standing up or laying down. Either way. This toy or game is for boys or girls. It takes a few minutes to play. You can play with 1 or 2 children. And the nice thing about this game is if you're missing 1 or 2 pieces, you can still play the game. It works even with missing pieces. Begin by having your child place each worm into the hole in the tree. And make sure the magnet part is up. Putting them in, you can name the color of the worm, and you can also count. So it's a good way to teach them numbers, colors, and counting. And this is what it looks like when all the worms are in the... Now the child takes the mama bird, and is going to feed the baby the worms. And the magnet attracts to the mom's beak and then place it inside. Okay. Drop it in, and that's 1 fed. Take the next one, push it in, and the baby bird's fed. And continue till all the worms are inside and the baby's full. And now they're all in. The goal of this game is to have fun and spend time with your child. There really is no winning or losing in this game. This is what it looks like when all the worms are inside. And all you do is dump them out and play again. Now the base of the toy is wood. It is BPA free and has bright non-toxic paint. There are no edges. It's smooth. And if you don't like the toy or for some reason want to return it, there is a 100% money back guarantee. Now the most tricky part for a toddler in this game is placing the worms into the tree. So if they can't do it, you can help them or do it for them. While playing this game with your child, you can explain what types of food people eat and what types of food birds and animals eat. You can explain the difference. And if you're outside, you can show them an actual bird or a real worm, if you can find one outside. That way they can compare the toy to the real objects and animals. This game also helps develop fine motor skills, and it is a Montessori type of toy if you're interested in the Montessori. It also promotes logical training, social intelligence, body movement, nature observation, motor skills, patience, logical mathematics. There's pretend play. This game lets your child have a chance to pretend to be a mommy bird and feed the babies colorful insects. And the children's curiosity about nature is satisfied. Helps kids learn colors and counting. Now, if you ask your child to pick up a green worm and they pick up a pink, purple, or blue in the Montessori method of teaching, you aren't going to correct them. You're just going to repeat. Pick up the blue, pick up the green. Even if they're wrong, you don't tell them they're wrong. You just tell them to pick up the worm and not it's the wrong worm. That's the difference between Montessori and regular. Some good activities to do with your 2-year-old child. Nature activities are like a collection. You bring a pail or basket with a handle to collect objects like twigs and rocks. Cause and effect, you find access to water, like a stream, lake, or puddle, and you watch what happens when you dump sticks in, for example. Outdoor meals, you can have your child help prepare a lunch or a snack and then take it outside and eat it as a picnic. Practical life activities for 2-year-olds would be sweeping. They can help sweep the floor, taking clothes from the dryer to a basket, watering plants, either indoors or outdoors, feeding their pets, or if you don't have pets, you can teach them how to feed wild birds or squirrels in the yard, and putting books back in a basket where they got them from or on a shelf before a nap or bedtime. And always remember, in Montessori, play is the work of the child. Hope you enjoyed the video today. If you're planning on purchasing one of these, you can purchase it on Amazon and put the link down in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video today. See you soon in my next video.